Hi everyone, so today we fixed the DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. We had a problem every time you brew a cup of coffee. The steam wand keeps leaking and it's a huge mess. We ended up replacing the entire assembly. So you can see this is the assembly with the micro switch and all the gaskets here. We have a new one inside the machine. It's not leaking anymore. I just want to quickly demonstrate. DeLonghi, a great machine, super reliable, and delivers a really good cup of espresso. So we can see how steam wand is working perfectly fine. I'm gonna close it off. Now we're gonna pull a shot. Let's see this will get down. There we go. And I'm just gonna zoom in over here. I want to show you. There you go. So you can see the steam wand and the espresso together. What a beautiful shot. Alright, everything seems to be working fine. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee, and thank you for watching.